like rain. While he is sleeping in his grave.
Hi guys, Yuri here again. Welcome to YB Plays Music. So today we are going to react to another one of Home Free. This is the second reaction of us doing one of Home Free, and there were a lot of suggestions for new songs. They have a big fan base and they call themselves the Home Fries.
And we just had fries, so
And we just had fries. How fitting. There were a lot of songs suggested, but we are going to react to the man of constant sorrow.
and before I saw like the little cover, and I
Yeah.
think it will be a country song, but I might be wrong.
Well, it's interesting that you say that because a lot of people describe the group
Mhm.
as a country or mainly country a cappella group, but they do other styles from what I've heard as well. But it's very possible that this will be a little bit of a country song. We had a lot of fun in the last video, and I'm very curious to see more of them.
Yeah, and we know that Jack Sparrow is the bass.
Yeah, and his name is Tim Faust.
Tim Faust, okay.
There were a lot of other names like Adam and
He forgot.
and the rest I forgot. But at least now I know a little bit who is who does which voices. Let's go.
Oh well.
Awesome effect.
Yeah. Oh.
I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days.
Whoa.
I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised.
Okay, before they go into a harmony, here is what I just heard. Do you recognize everyone in the video?
I recognize one.
Wait, him.
And I no the and the bassy
The,
one. you
oh, the
said.
bassy one. I forgot the name of
and I
that
think
guy.
this is Jack Sparrow.
Yeah,
from
this is
the-
Tim, indeed.
so he will do
then
the bass.
the guy in the middle, I assume, was the guy that had the red costume in the last one.
Maybe you should tell what the last video was.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yes.
The last video we reacted to of them was the sea shanty medley, and I think the guy in the middle here is the guy that had the red outfit on.
Mhm.
Then
The second one is the one I thought first was Nathaniel.
yeah, that was the one that started off the song.
Yeah.
I think his name was Adam.
Okay.
And then that guy is the one that does the beatboxing and the sound effects, which are incredible here.
Like the beginning of the song, we were like, "What the hell? This is
Yeah,
cool."
it's, you don't
Awesome.
expect. It's like I don't know what instrument it sounds like some kind of didgeridoo, but like a very exotic instrument. Let's return a little and keep going.
Place where I was born and raised. The place where he was born and raised.
Whoa.
4 or 6 long years I've been in trouble. No pleasures here on earth I've found. Oh,
It's so
Wow.
awesome to hear the background noises
Noises.
that they
It's
make.
insane.
So-
Do they all make them themselves? Is it done with voice?
I think so. That's what they do, I think. And they told me that the guy that does the beatboxing is one of the best in what he does, and by
Wow.
hearing that, it's pretty clear he is.
That mind blowing.
Mind blowing. It's also very nice, I think, to see them all together in this one. Because in the last video they were all separate because of the COVID situation. They recorded that in their separate homes, and a lot of people told us that it was on purposely done like TikTok. And I've seen other covers of this of Wellerman afterwards, also in that same format, done for especially TikTok.
And when they all sing together, it's like this great sound.
Crazy,
They all
crazy
blend so
harmony.
well together.
Yeah, it's
insane.
crazy. But indeed, it sounds a little bit country. That would be pretty fitting to drive to Death Valley with music like this.
Oh, we should do that the next time we go back. If we ever go back,
Perhaps.
let's play Home Free then.
Let's remember that. We will. We will.
Been in trouble, no pleasures here on earth I've found.
So nice.
Oh, in this world, I'm bound to ramble. I have no friends to help me now. He has no friends to help him now. Wow. It's fare thee well, my old true lover. I never expect to see you again.
That's so crazy.
I'm bound to ride that northern railroad. Perhaps I'll die upon this train. Perhaps he'll die upon this train.
Wow.
That's so
That's-
nice.
wow.
Now the sounds he makes are like a mondharmonic instrument, which is crazy.
The first time I thought if you wouldn't know this is the kind of band, I would think they sampled a bird.
They sampled the bird in it. If you
Yeah,
don't know, it's
yeah.
an a cappella group. Yeah, indeed. And that's also what I said in the last video. Is in the first half, I didn't really realize that it was all done with voices. Same here. If you don't know, it's crazy good, and it's also like the way he holds his hand. It looks like he's playing the mondharmonica in this one, but it's just his voice. Also, do you notice the low voice of Tim or not?
Yeah.
A little less than in the last video so far.
No,
Perhaps.
it's pretty out there.
Yeah, it's pretty out there, but I think he can go lower than that. Let's go.
This train. Perhaps he'll die upon this train.
Oh, that's so good.
Damn.
That's exactly like a mondharmonica.
You can bury me.
Here he is.
In some deep valley for many years where I may live. Then
I'm like happy he's sweating too because in Belgium it's been crazy warm and we've been
Well,
sweating here.
that's true, but I actually don't think it's
Yeah,
sweat.
no.
I think it's raining there.
Yeah, maybe.
but
you
it-
know, it's
we can relate.
We can relate to this.
Yeah, in another way, but hey.
deep valley for many years where I may live. Then you may learn to love another while I am sleeping in my grave.
While he is sleeping
Oh.
in his grave.
Did you hear the low
Whoa.
voice?
no.
I will listen to that one again from him. By the way, the one that does the beatboxing is one of the founders of the band. He
Oh, so
started.
they-
He actually started off with his brother, from as far as I know, but his brother went on another route afterwards, I think, and he's still in the band. He's one of the founder members. So,
If you have more
that's interesting.
information, feel free to let us know.
I'm
It's
sure-
always cool to learn. This
I'm
kind of
sure they
stuff.
will. I'm sure they will. But did you hear how low Tim went in that part? It's more subtle, but
But
it's
when
incredibly
they all sing
low.
together, it's just chills I
hard.
get.
Yeah, yeah.
then-
That's basically what they're trying to do, and they're very good at it.
They
I
are.
am sleeping in my grave.
Now,
While he is sleeping
Whoa. Okay.
in his grave. Maybe your friends think I'm just a stranger. My face you never God's golden shore. He'll meet you on God's golden shore.
Here we go.
It's such a chill vibe.
Whoa. These sounds.
That's so nice. And oh wow, that was a strange effect, and I'm not sure if that was actually totally done with their voices. If that was, that's incredible because that really sounds like a warp effect that you put
I
on
think
the.
it is because
I'm not sure.
they have been amazing the whole song. So.
It probably is just them doing it.
And it's something funny because I was talking to my friend, I think, 2 days ago, and he was playing guitar, and he was like,
oh yeah.
"This seems like so easy, like for people watching, but it's actually years of commitment doing this." And like with the beatboxer and everyone in this group, it seems so easy.
It looks so
It's-
seamless
yeah.
and so fluent.
It isn't at all. I think
It is hard. It is probably
Wow.
crazy hard. But probably at that point, if you're so good, it's like an automatism, a habit of doing it that way. I assume the guy, the second from the left, Adam is the newest member of the band. So
and the guy totally on the left. What do you know his name or not?
I don't remember. They told his name, but I don't remember.
Because he did a little part, and that makes me feel like he can rap.
Oh yeah, that fast part that he did.
So I'm curious to see
Perhaps.
if
I don't know. But I know that when Tim does his part and there's another bass voice in it, then it's Adam who does that.
okay.
But yeah,
Adam
Such a
second bass.
second bass. Yeah. But such a nice scenery as well. I don't know where
Mm.
this is recorded, but it looks like I would think somewhere in I don't know, Miami or so
Mhm.
because of the crocodiles. I don't know.
Did you like the video clip?
I did. It's all in the same area.
Mhm.
It doesn't look too complicated, but it doesn't need
No.
to be. It's just fitting. The mood is exactly right, I think.
I do miss a little bit of storytelling in the video, but that just
Well,
If you-
perhaps there
maybe that's not their thing, you know.
maybe not, or perhaps there is a
Right.
story and we don't see
Yeah,
it.
we don't
That
see
could be
One of the two.
one or two. So if there's a story behind the video,
Let us know.
let us know. We'd love to know about that. Yeah, I think this is an awesome one. And in this one, I think everybody has a little bit of shine. I think Adam the least
Mhm.
this time. But the other four members at least have. It's nice to see Tim have a solo part in this. We didn't have that in the last one, so that's so we didn't have to search for which voices were.
But we
whose.
already knew, so
We already knew. So I'm definitely gonna do more of Home Free, if possible, with you. I'm not sure if
We'll
it always will be possible, but we'll
I kind
see.
of wanna. When I see them, I kind of want the beatboxers from Pentatonics, like collabing with the beatboxers from. That
Well,
would be
it's
or did they do that? Or
It's interesting that you say that. Not really the beatboxers, but I think that in one song, they collaborated with a guy that did the bass in
Oh.
Pentatonics, or used to do the bass in Pentatonics,
Cool.
Avi. I think they did a collaboration at certain point with him.
that may be a video.
That may be
will
an
happen
interesting
on the-
video.
on this YouTube channel.
Perhaps. So
Stay tuned.
surely there will be from both groups there will be more videos. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our reaction. We definitely enjoyed the video a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. I also have other reaction videos. I have music videos and tutorials for you guys to check out as well. Also check out my
On
buddy
Instagram.
Jorim's links in the description down below. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, what else?
Mainly Instagram.
So thank you very much and see you guys next time. Bye.
See ya. We are recording. Ama da ne diyorsun hani?
Now we are.
We are recording. He gets his friends on this channel, so he has his sound effects.
You know, that's the only reason that I ask friends to go on the
only reason.
video. Because,
I forced him today to make this video.
yeah, I didn't even want him to be here.
I want to be YouTube famous by the end of the year.
I feel so used right now.
He is in constant sorrow.
No, I am home free.
It's your home.
I'm free in my home. I'm a man in a free home. I'm a free man in a home.
I'm a free man in my home. Godverdomme.
That means God damn it.
Yeah, I was about to say. For the English people here, it's God damn it. Ben in eerste ja, dum-dum en dum-dum.
Dim dim dum dum dum.
Dum-dum.
Dum dum. Dum dum.
Dum-dum.
Ik dacht dat hij hem begint. Hi guys.
That's not my job.
It's your job. Hi guys. Oh, die komt niet dicht en nu ik kan een beetje moeten verzetten. Want
So now we have to speak a bit Italian English because we are going to a holiday and that will be in Italy.
okay, so but this cable is irritating me. That's better.
Geshabeld.
Geshabeld. We're cabled. Guys, I hope you. Here we go. Here we go. It's the end. It's always
Time
the
for
most,
the bloopers.
it's the most difficult part of the video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. That's too early. Also, don't forget. I have. Come on.
Here.
So yeah, thank you very much, guys, and see you guys next. Oh, nee. See ya.